It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Hey there, it's Layle with Layle by Mail. I wanted to quickly show you the latest Layle by Mail layout kit, and this features the Simple Vintage Christmas collection. All right, so the kit makes three 12 by 12 double page spreads, and that is what we're looking at here. This is the first spread. And so, as you can see, super traditional, really beautiful colors. The artwork is just gorgeous, just stunning. And I have added black and white photos to my layouts just so you can, or so I can actually really see the photos. They really stand out with all of the vintage going on. But the collection is just, seriously, you guys, it is so stunning. All right, so that is the first spread. The second one is right here. Let's make sure that you can see that, okay? All right, so this is the second spread. I love the green check, and then of course the buffalo check. And this is a little bit of a different buffalo check, but that's a super popular, trendy look that we're carrying through the layouts. Lots of great red, green, traditional Christmas colors, holly, poinsettias, and then, of course, the little vintage Santas. They are gorgeous. And then I'm going to bring in the last spread, and then I will show you the products that I used. All right, this is the last spread. All right, so more of that really fun kind of buffalo plaid. Cute green polka dot, a really nice stripe, and then of course the vintage Santas. What makes the collection, you guys, so beautiful and it makes it so easy to work with are the elements that are part of that collection. So let's take a look at what's in the kit. All right, so the kit is full of all kinds of awesomeness. As always, you have the color step-by-step instructions to put the layouts together. You have the Simple Vintage chipboard, Simple Vintage Christmas, and these, I want to show you guys these. These are 4x6 transparencies, and there are 6 of them in the package. So basically, you get a very nice assortment of transparencies to lay over your photos. So see how those are clear. And some of them I've used vertically, like this little guy, others horizontally. But I'm going to pull back in those, my photos again, or my layouts, and you can see. So see this one right here? Try not to get any glare there. Easier said than done. That one I have just laid right over my photo. But doesn't that give it just such a neat look? So there's one there. I think I used 4 or 5 on the layouts. There's another one there. Makes it look like you have mad Photoshop skills. Without really needing to know Photoshop at all, because we're just overlaying those transparencies right on top of our photos. So another one there. Let's see. And one more. So I think I used 4. Another one there. And I think this one is my favorite, that Joy. And then I just added a chipboard star there. Anyhow, so you have the 6 4x6 transparencies, and then you have not 1 but 2 12 by 12 sticker sheets. So this one is full of great titles, lots of great little sayings, little icons, strips down here that look like washi. So nice assortment of stickers there. And then I think these are my favorite. These are border strips. So what makes it so nice is that with Simple Vintage Christmas, it makes it look like you have super mad kind of layering skills and sewing skills, and you're adding metal and ribbons and bows and different things. But we do all of that work for you, or Simple Stories does all that work for you in the sticker itself. So really great options there, and I use quite a few of those on the layouts. All right, now we move into the papers. I think there are 16 or 17 papers in the kit, so tons and tons of great papers. Really great vintage Santa there. That nice, to use as a background, that nice kind of word or text paper. This is another great background that we use. We use a little bit of the stripe on the opposite side. You have 2 sheets of that, using a little bit of both. This one, that beautiful red holly, we're using 2 sheets of that. the 3x4 elements, we're actually using one of those for a journaling card, and then we're using those other two for photo mats, and then accents, that nice green polka dot. This guy we are actually fussy cutting. We're not fussy cutting him. We're fussy cutting a bunch of the holly that you see around here. And I'll just show you really quick what that one looks like when we are done. It is this layout that we are using a bunch of those little fussy cutting pieces. So you can kind of see up there in the corner, up there, and the fussy cutting with pop dots. It really gives it added dimension. Anyhow, fussy cutting's not bad. And then you have some of this backside left over, which is a really great plaid. All right, then we actually have not one, not two, but 3 sheets of this. You can tell that this is one of my favorites in the collection. We talked about that in a number of the layouts. But this one, we're actually using 2 of the 4x6 cards, the Merry Christmas, and then we're using this one for a journaling strip. Another great holly, that kind of cream colored holly. This one is actually a bonus paper. So you have a full sheet that is a bonus, and then some partial sheets that are bonus, and lots of stickers and chipboard and things left over. So you can keep creating probably 1 or 2 more layouts. And then that nice green check that we're using as one of the bases for the layout. So that is the Simple Vintage Christmas collection that makes up the Simple Vintage Layout Kit that I showed you. You'll find information on ordering the kit at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time